Well, this is just going to be a video on that Tecumseh Vantage, except it's not a Vantage anymore. I rebuilt it, and I did make a video of pretty near having it rebuilt, and then the YouTube got all cattywampus, so that didn't really do anything. So this is going to be the first start after the rebuild. I'll dump a little bit of gas in whoa, shit, that was too much. I'll let it sit for a couple seconds. All the gas leaks out of it anyway, because my carburetor needs work. Watch, we'll have a fire here going likely. Anyway, I'll see if I can fire it up. This is going to be the first start after a rebuild. There we go. Well, it started. It did start. Oh shit, I picked the camera and all. Funny thing, we didn't have a fire there. She let off a little bit of smoke because I had some oil in the cylinder there just for a little bit of lubrication when it first started. You know, with new rings and stuff, so. But it did start, so now once I get a better system there for this thing, I gotta get a cable or something here. I might have one in my pile of junk. But no, she fired up for a second. Let me see if it'll start again.